What's up, folks? Welcome back to 802 Garage, home to endless project cars. This will be my last video of 2019 and probably the shortest, and that's for a few reasons. First of all, y'all should be out hanging out with your family, your friends, or whatever. If you're alone, shoot somebody you like a message, tell them Happy New Year, or if it's your thing, just go back to playing video games, whatever. But no matter what, I really appreciate you checking out this video as we head into 2020. The next reason is I didn't film anything today because I spent, no joke, 8 to 10 hours finalizing the merch. I was working on touching up the designs, making sure that I picked the best retailer so that it works out for you and for me so I can have good prices, make a little bit of profit, and integrate well with YouTube and service everybody properly. And I was also finalizing and uploading those designs. That's the good news, is that the merch is basically done, and I'm actually pretty happy with how it came out. I was worried it wouldn't look good once I translated to products, but I like it, and hopefully it will do well. But that also brings us to the bad news. Basically, I think I screwed something up as I was uploading my designs. I believe what happened is that I uploaded my design once and everything was okay, but then I uploaded it again to try to make a different product. And I think their system basically detected that I was copying my own work, so it essentially copyright striked me and took down my design. So I can only get up one of the two launch designs right now, and I'd really rather release everything simultaneously. And because it's New Year's Eve, nobody was working, and it was also after business hours when I was finalizing this stuff, and nobody will be working on the 1st because it's New Year's Day, and of course they should get the day off. So I won't be able to talk to anyone until the 2nd, and likely I won't have the merch up until that night or possibly on the 3rd. Obviously, you will know as soon as I can tell you. I will be making a video on it, letting you all know that it's released. So for now, tomorrow, I'll probably just be working on the cars until I can get a hold of someone at the company. And I did go with Teespring. I wasn't expecting to originally because I had some concerns about what they offered, but then I realized I actually have a shirt from Teespring. It was given to me by Jeff from Fully Spooled, which is an awesome channel. You should check it out. He has a V8 Lexus drift car he's rebuilding the engine in, so I'll put a little link up in the corner. One of my favorite channels. So he sent me a shirt from Teespring a while ago that was on their tri-blend, and it's super, super comfortable, and the print is pretty good, so that's going to be one of the options for my merch. And there are a few other reasons I went with Teespring, one of them being they have some of the lowest prices, which means I can offer you good value and still make a little bit of money, which I'm going to work really hard to do. And other than that, they have some of the best integration with YouTube, unless you're a super famous YouTuber and you can get hooked in with a really trendy merch site. By the way, look how cute my doggy is. Hi, Nava. Come here, baby. Hi, darling. She's like, my feet are cold. Let me inside, daddy. That's basically where I'm at. Everything is ready to go. I'm pretty happy with how it is looking, and I'll hopefully be working on the cars more now that the merch is pretty much finalized. I'm sure some of you are sick of hearing about it. But to everybody who has been watching the videos just about the updates here closing out the year, I really appreciate it. Speaking of which, it is the last day of daily December, and as long as this video goes up, I will have successfully completed it, making 31 days, 31 videos in 31 days, which I know is not insane, and not every single video was this massive undertaking, but I do feel that I put out fairly decent quality for the whole month of December, other than these last few videos, which were basically just quick vlogs, but that doesn't mean I wasn't working. You should all hopefully know that I've still been working hard on the channel, even if I never get as much done as all of us would like, including me. But I really appreciate all your support and your kind words telling me that I'm doing enough, because I am really trying, and I'm going to keep trying to put in this same amount of effort and even more in 2020. More importantly, I just want to be more productive in 2020, and that's not some resolution. It's just the fact that that's what I'm always working towards, is being able to be more productive with the time that I put in. And part of that is stuff like the merch, which should hopefully ease financial burden a little bit. I mean, I don't have to do stuff like take on client cars, even though I'd rather be working on one of my own project cars. But you got to have a side hustle if your main hustle ain't making big hustle money. That's going to be all for this video, folks. Thank you so much. Happy New Year. Merch very soon. Project car updates very soon. And definitely go check out Monkey Wrenching. He also did daily videos for the entire month of December, so he'll have a new one out today as well. I'll put a link up in the corner. Hopefully everybody who watches these things regularly has at least checked out his channel. Go leave him a comment. Tell him I sent you. Tell him he did a good job this month. Whew, it has been quite a year, folks. Not exactly what I wanted it to be. Definitely more gaps in content than I wanted there to be. But I do feel that 2020 is going to be different and better. I'll catch you all very soon with some more endless project car action.